is Mirella. Today we are going to do rising water experiment with candle. Are you ready? Let's start. To do this experiment, we need a plate, a small candle, a clear glass cup, water, and food coloring. Fill the plate with water. Add few drops of food coloring. Put the small candle in the center of the plate. Carefully light the candle. Quickly place the glass cup over the lit candle. Ready, start! 1, 2, 3, start! One. My candle is going up. Watch as the flame goes out and the water level inside the glass starts to rise. This may take a few seconds. When the candle burns, it heats the air inside the glass. Once the candle uses up the oxygen and goes out, the air inside cools down. Always have another supervise the experiment. This simple experiment is a great way to teach children about air pressure and the behavior of gases in a visually engaging manner. Hope you like this experiment. Bye-bye. Pura kudarga முடியாது. இல்லை அப்போதான் நம்ம அகேன் இட்லி எடுக்கலாம். அம்மா முடியாது, ஒரு டைம் வச்சுட்டு 1